Hey guys, welcome to Globe Tech Solutions. Today I will be teaching you Windows Server Administration course from scratch to advanced. Uh, you can see this is the agenda. Module 1 will be what is Windows. I will be showing what is Windows. Module 2 there is a setting of a lab which we are going to show you now. Setting up a lab. Module 3 installation and configuration, which I will show you Windows installation, configuration, Windows server installation. Everything will be on the VM platform. I will show you everything. So today I'm going to show you a lab, how we can make a lab and how we can practice to install and configure Windows Server 2. So let's go and create a lab. So I will go directly to my remote system. This is my system. Okay, just let me log into the system. Okay, you can see some operating system already installed here. This is the workstation. So just powering out everything so that I can show you from the beginning. This is the vmware workstation pro. So showing how to install this application. And see, I have downloaded already Windows. VMware workstation full. So I will show you how to download it. Just go here, just type workstation pro. See, you will get this option. Yeah, perfect. Now you can download it from here. Select any of the platform. So it is not recommended to get it free. It's a commercial product. So for our lab, you can download a free and download trial and practice for Windows Server administration. Just download from here and you will get the ISO. And then I will show you how to install this ISO. Just double click here, it will show the screen. Yes, it's installing in the background. I, I have already installed this application, so you will not get any installation option here. And I will show you complete procedure. It's installing on the background. See, this screen will be appearing once you click on the setups. Then next, here I am getting change, repair and remove option. Because the software is already installed, so that's why I'm getting these three options. If it's not installed, you will get installation option. Just click next, finish, it will be done. This is the installation procedure workstation pro. So it's already installed, so now I'm going to cancel it. Finish. Now I will open this application. This is the workstation view. So I have a lot of virtual machine here. So this is not our agenda for today, but now I will remove this from here. So I will be showing you one fresh Windows Server installation here, so that next class I can show you the configuration of Windows Server. Our next chapter will be begin on next class. So today, now I'm going to install a fresh Windows server, which I have already one ISO file here. I have downloaded it from Microsoft website. You can see Windows Server 2012. So to download this application, just to go here, type Windows Server. See Windows Server free trial. You can get the ISO from here, or any of the related website. You can get it. It's now the latest version is Windows Server 2022, so you can download this also trial. I will show you this trial also next class when I will show you the configuration. That time I will show you the installation of 2022 and configuration as well. So now I have Windows Server 2012 R2, so now I will install it. I will show you how to install it on this VM file in new virtual machine. Typically it's recommended, but I will select custom so that I can customize the configuration of some settings. Then I will click next. Here you can set this is the old version 13.x and workstation 17.x is the new version, so I will select newer version and next. Here you can set the ISO file directly from here, server 2002, but now I will not select it directly because I want to show you how to install it from scratch. I will select this one. I will install the operating system later. Then next, here I will show you Microsoft Windows. I will select server 2012 because I have server 2012 here, and the next class I will show you server 2022. This is the update version. So now I will show you 2012. Next, and you can name it any of the name as per your convenient. This one, the location is not recommended to install it on the C drive, so I will change it to D. Let's make a new folder, Windows Server here. Put out this destination here, the storage. Next, so I will keep it as it is BIOS. Next, processor I will give you one processor and one core. And the RAM is recommended at least you should give 8 GB for 22 and 2016 2012 is recommended 4 GB. Now I will keep only 2 GB for our lab purpose. Next time when I will install in 2022 I will give it 4 GB. So now let it keep 2 GB. Next, I will use NAT connection, so I will describe it later, everything in details about the networking part, which I have in my PPT. Networking part I will show you. See, this is the basic networking and Windows server. I will show you here, module 6. So now I will just select NAT. So I can tell you the details, basic details. Bridge, it will take your existing IP address, and NAT it will give you another IP address. So I don't want to take from existing IP address, so I will give another IP address on the NAT, so that it will be separated from our existing network. So next time when I will show you the networking class, then I will explain these three options in details. Now click next. This one is recommended. Next, next. Now this is the create a new virtual disk because we are installing a fresh Windows Server's operating system. So I will select create a new virtual disk. Next, I will give 60 GB, no problem. This one is split. I will check it store virtual disk as a single file. I don't want to split it. Next, then I will give the path on D drive. I don't want to install this one in C drive, so I will give D drive. Save. That's it. Next, finish. That's it. Now the server 2012 option will be here. It will be appearing here. So just I will edit virtual machine and I will give the ISO file here. cd dvd setup, and I will select use ISO image. Then I will select that my ISO file. I will select OK. Now I will install machine. Again, you can see it's loading now. This is the first process of installation Windows, same as physical. Now it's absolutely updating. So here I will select the same because we are going to use click next. Now install now. So in this ISO I have four options. You can see R2 standard server core installation. Core installation means is a command line interface, and 2012 R2 standard is a GUI interface. So and data center is also core interface, and this data center is GUI. So I will install standard. Data center is for more advanced level to get another update features. So for our lab purpose, standard GUI is better. Then next, here I will have to accept the license terms. You can, if you want to read, you can read it. And next, then I will select custom install Windows only advanced. Then I will take all the drive which I have given before, 60 GB. Just click new and apply. So our Windows will be installing on this CD. By default, you can see one reserve file will be creating, and just I will click here of 59 GB disk, and I will install the operating system here. Next, so it will be installing here. It will take some time. As you can see, it's installing. Let it install. So in this time, I can show you our course module in details. So this is the next class. I will show you what is Windows and what is Windows Server, how Windows Server works, show you in details what is Windows Server works, why we use servers in the production environment. Also, I will show you all the services which is in Windows Server, and basically which services we are using in the production environment of any organization. Next topic is install vmware workstation, install Windows Server virtual machine in vmware workstation, install Windows client machine in vmware workstation. So today I will be showing these two options, and next class I will show you again Windows Server 2022 installation and Windows client installation. So all the lab and all the service and features I will show you on Windows 2022. So today is our first class, and today I will show you only the installation of VMware Workstation and Windows Server. One more thing, the Windows Server 2012, 16, 19, 2023 is almost same, but as you know, the upgraded version you will get more features. Then show you topic 3 there with the server services. All the services you will get here. I will install one by one and I will show you how it works. I will show you the system administration part in the module 4. Module 5 is the advanced system administration part. The module 6 is basic networking and Windows Server. I will show you what is networking and how networking is important and how it works. And then I will show you storage and management. Then bonus lecture also I will show you how to create CV and some virtualization part and why you need virtualization and how virtualization helps our life. So this everything you will get. So after completing the course, I'm sure that you will understand everything in details about Windows Server administration and Windows client as well. Let's see our installation progress. See, it's almost done. This is the second phase. Now it's asking for installation tools. This I will show you what is installation tools and why you required. For now, just I will click remind me later. Click the password. Or you can create password as per your then click next. It's done. You can see this is the server 2012 screen, login screen. I will just click send control then. This is the login screen. So I will log in the server here. You can see it's logged in. You can see this is the Windows server. Just let me click it big one so that you can see it properly. The server. This is the server desktop. This is the main screen. Here you can see all of the options. And I will also show you later every services which we use in our production environment basically. Here you can see this is the server manager. Here I can get all of the options, server features and everything. So this is the tools. Here I can see manage. Here I can install all the applications. Next video I will show you how to install the services and how the services works and basically which services is most important for the production environment. So for today, this is for today this much. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.